Welcome to another informative video on our channel. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Are you curious about industrial maintenance and its impact on profitability? Then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to unravel the complexities of industrial maintenance, explore strategies to optimize it, and introduce the key players in this field. We'll also explore how you can advance your career in maintenance with certifications. So let's dive right into the fascinating world of industrial maintenance. Industrial maintenance, also known as plant maintenance, is all about implementing processes to reduce breakdowns, increase uptime, and promote overall reliability. In simpler terms, it's the process of ensuring that assets are kept in good working condition. When a piece of equipment keeps running at its expected capacity, production operations are likewise sustained. Having a maintenance plan reduces maintenance costs, maximizes uptime potential, and ultimately increases profitability. If you're relying on a third-party service contractor to repair failed components after the fact, that's not a sustainable maintenance plan. Servicing costs with third-party contractors are high, and this approach puts you at a higher risk of unscheduled downtime from a sudden, unexpected failure. A proper maintenance plan can identify maintenance tasks that prevent failures in the first place, saving your company more in the long term. Now, let's look at some examples of maintenance strategies. First up, we have reactive maintenance. This is about dealing with tasks that come up after a piece of equipment breaks down. The advantage of reactive maintenance is that the initial costs are significantly lower. Maintenance tasks are only carried out when a machine is already showing signs of poor performance. But the downsides of reactive maintenance outweigh the short-term benefits. The cost of performing minimal maintenance is the likelihood of irreversible damage from sudden failure. Next, we have preventive maintenance. The goal here is to mitigate potential causes of failure before they even occur. This strategy requires doing tasks proactively according to a usage or calendar-based schedule. For example, getting an oil change in your car after running for a certain number of miles. Lastly, we have reliability-centered maintenance, or RCM. This is a specialized form of proactive maintenance. RCM aims to avoid failures by analyzing the best actions to take. It's like a game plan that develops tailor-made maintenance strategies depending on what best suits the particular equipment. Now, who are the people behind industrial maintenance? We have industrial maintenance mechanics who are required in any company that uses machines with moving parts. They handle the installation, disassembly, repair, and maintenance of machines. Then we have industrial engineers. They develop processes that they ensure can be carried out efficiently and effectively. They optimize resources by planning, designing, and implementing the operations of a company. But there are other types of industrial maintenance workers as well. We have maintenance technicians, who are the go-to workers for general maintenance work. Then there are maintenance planners. They ensure that the parts required are available in time for a scheduled activity. We also have maintenance supervisors. They look after the activities of the technicians and manage the metrics and key performance indicators of the team. And lastly, we have maintenance managers. They oversee a group of maintenance supervisors while reporting to either a director, vice president, or president. Now, which industries utilize industrial maintenance? Well, any company that owns and operates machines requires some form of industrial maintenance. This includes food processors, refineries, the energy sector, construction companies, and printing presses. If you're interested in becoming an industrial maintenance professional, there are several certifications you can get. You can become a Certified Maintenance and Reliability Technician, or CMRT. This certification is offered by the Society for Maintenance and Reliability Professionals, or SMRP. You can also become a Certified Maintenance and Reliability Professional, or CMRP. This program is also offered by the SMRP. Lastly, the International Maintenance Institute, or IMI, offers varying levels of certification depending on the area of expertise required. And if you want to stay up to date with the latest news and resources in industrial maintenance, check out manufacturing.net, Plant Services, and Reliability FM. These platforms feature news, educational content, case studies, white papers, special reports, and podcasts about the maintenance world. So there you have it, a comprehensive look at industrial maintenance. It's a crucial part of any company that operates machines, and with the right strategies and a skilled team, it can significantly boost profitability. And that wraps up our video. Thank you for watching. We've covered the importance of industrial maintenance, the different maintenance strategies, and the key roles in this field. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more informative content. To learn more about our services and how we can help you optimize your maintenance operations, visit us at upkeep.com. Until next time, keep maintaining.